The Bosch PR011 Colt Plunge Dive base is an accessory designed specifically for Bosch PR10E and PR20 EVS palm router motors. The product page describes smooth plunge action, a quick clamp system that makes it easy to move the router motor in and out of the base, and a 7-step adjustable depth turret with micro-adjustment on the depth rod. This is a niche, function-specific accessory for woodworkers and hobbyists who want cleaner, repeatable plunge cuts from a compact palm router. Amazon's product listing shows the compatibility and feature set, but price and availability can shift by seller and region. Check the link page for the current price. In practice, this base converts a handheld router into a stable plunge routing tool, adding precision for tasks like shallow mortises, inlays, or controlled depth trimming. Woodworkers who already own the compatible Bosch motor report that the PR011 base improves control and repeatability. The quick-release clamps and stepped depth turret let you make incremental, repeatable cuts without the bulk and cost of a full-sized plunge router. For small shops and hobbyists, the system is compact, relatively affordable compared to buying a full plunge router, and leverages the existing palm motor. Customer comments from multiple international Amazon locales praise the fit, compatibility, and smooth plunge action, but some users caution to double-check the exact motor model before purchasing because the base is made for specific Bosch motors. Pros: compact, precise plunge action, good value for palm router owners. Cons: compatibility is strict, must own a PR10E PR20 EVS motor, and assembly fit can require careful checking. We share by links in description box.